Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Union City, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves require expert planning and handling. Our movers are dependable and efficient. They know how to handle your belongings to prevent or minimize damage. Our moving trucks also contribute to the safety and security of your belongings. Our drivers are familiar with all the routes. They know how to move your belongings to your new home within the shortest time possible. We work with state and federal authorities in charge of the relocation process and follow all the necessary long-distance regulations. Sometimes accidents happen, so we have insurance plans in place to cover any damage. Despite our top-notch moving services, we have structured our pricing system to accommodate the budget of our clients. You can trust us not to give unreasonable rates. A local relocation is usually less stressful and less expensive than long-distance moves, and it's a move that happens within a state of fewer than 50 miles. However, it's essential to put everything into place to prevent errors, damage, or waste of resources. 3 Movers guarantees fast and satisfactory local moves. We plan and conduct your local moves and get satisfactory results. We also charge between $30 and $40 per hour for our local moving services. Our rates are the cheapest you can get anywhere. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Union City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.